Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to create a class using Google Classroom and how to send invites to the students to join the class. Also we'll be looking for how a student can join the class for which he has received the invitation. So let us start by creating a class in the Google Classroom. In order to create a class in the Google Classroom, we have to open a web browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome. I'll double click on the Google Chrome and on the address bar I'm going to open google.com. Before creating any class in the Google Classroom, we need to ensure that we are logged in with the Google account, our Gmail account. So to log in into our Gmail account, I will click on this sign in button at the right top. And I will just enter my credentials to log in. After entering the credentials, I'll click on the next and I'll be able to see all the applications which are provided by the Google on these 9 dots at the right top. So I'll just click on these 9 dots and once I scroll down, I can find Google Classroom also over here. So I'll click on this classroom icon and my classroom will appear. This will help us to open Google Classroom application. Over here, to create any class, I need to click on this plus sign at the right top. As soon as I'll click on this plus sign, a drop down list will come which is having two options, join class and create class. To create a new class, I'll click on this create class option, which will again show a pop-up over here where we need to accept the conditions of the Google and then click on continue. Once I click on this continue, it will redirect to a new window where we need to enter the details of the class, in which the first option is name of the class. So I'll just enter a class name, say class 9. I can mention the section also, the subject for which this class has been created. Now here, all the subject teachers will create their own classes. So let me just write it as computer science. I have selected the subject as computer science. In the place of room, I can write the same subject and then click on create. Once I have clicked on this create, this will create a new class by the same name, that is class 9A of the computer subject. And when the processing is done, it will be displayed like this. It will automatically open our class. Now I can just click on these three lines on the left hand side, extreme left hand side, which displays main menu, and click on this classes in order to see all the classes I have created. Now as I have created single class over here, so I'll click on this class 9th A and I'll be able to see all the details of that particular class. To send the invite to the students, I have to click on the people option from the top, the third option from the top. I'll click on the people option and over here I'll get two options. One is of teachers, another is of student. In the teachers, as I have created by my name, so you can see my name is already written over here. In order to add more teachers into this class, I can click on this plus sign and I can write the name or email ID of that particular teacher. If I'm entering the name, I should just make sure that the email ID of that particular teacher is already added into my Gmail account, or else I need to have the email ID of the particular teacher to send the invites. If I don't want to invite any of the teacher, I can just click on cancel and come out of it. To send the invites to the students, we are going to follow the same step, by clicking on plus sign in front of students option. It will again open a new window where already the invite link is written over here. And in the second box, I need to write the email ID or the name of the student if it is already added into my Gmail account. So I am going to write some email IDs of the students to add them. Once I have written the Gmail ID, it will automatically find it from the cloud and it will show the results to me over here. So I can just select the name, select the ID and see it is already created. In order to add more students, I can write the IDs over here. Like I am adding more IDs. See it was already added into my Gmail account, so it is showing me over here along with the name. So I can select it from here. I can write any number of email IDs. After entering all the email IDs, I need to click on this invite button to send the invites to the students. Once I've clicked on this invite button, it will send all the invites. It will send the invite link to all the students whose email ID we have mentioned in the students list. Now, once we are done with sending the invite, we can see all the students' email ID over here under the students list only, which shows it is invited. Once the student has joined this class, it will automatically be converted. The name of the student will displayed over here and it will be automatically converted to the bolts. Now let me show you the one of the ID of the student to whom I have sent the invites. So here is the Gmail ID of a student to whom I have sent the invitation, which I can find in the inbox. See over here with my name, it is showing class invitation of class 9th A. I can simply click on this link. I'll scroll down. I can find this join button. Click on this join button and it will be redirected to a page which asks me if I want to change my email ID. I won't be changing my email ID. I will simply click on join button to join the specified class by my teacher. Once I have clicked on join, it will automatically redirect me to the same class which we have created by using the teachers panel. Once the student has joined, we can just see over here under the people section, the name of the student is displayed over here. Till now it was showing the email ID. Now it is bold with the name of the student, indicating that the student has joined the link which we have sent to them. Thank you.